Hello, I'm Daniel Lieske and I welcome you to my studio. I'm sitting in a secluded corner in a small town somewhere in northern Germany, and from here I'm working as a freelance digital artist. I'm frequently working on computer game projects. I create children's books, book cover illustrations, and the occasional trading card illustration. And I have a personal passion project, and that's a digital graphic novel called the Wormworld Saga. And that leads us straight into the topic of this video course, because I want to show you how I create a panel illustration from my digital graphic novel. And I'll be working on a traditional graphics tablet from Wacom. It's a Wacom Intuos 5, size L. I have a main monitor from ISO, which is a 27-inch, and my secondary monitor is a Wacom Cintiq 13 HD. That's where all my palettes are sitting. And we will cover the whole process, starting at the first sketch and finishing with the final illustration. So there's quite a bit of work laying ahead of us. I hope you're ready, and I hope that you will enjoy this video course.